In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Maps API key. This process might seem a bit daunting at first, but I'm here to guide you through it step by step. I'll make sure that it's as straightforward and stress-free as possible for you. To start, you'll need to open your web browser and head over to the Google Cloud Console. You can do this by typing console.cloud.google.com into the address bar. Once you're there, you'll want to click on the Project option at the top of the page. This will direct you to the Project Management section, where you can see all your existing projects. Next, look for the option to create a new project and click on New Project. Here, you'll be asked to name your new project. Choose something that is easy to remember and descriptive of what you'll be using it for. Hit Create after you've named your project. Once your project is created, you'll need to select it by clicking Select Project in the projects list. Now you're in the right place to enable and access all the necessary APIs for your project. Your next step is to navigate to the API section. To do this, find the navigation menu, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines located at the top left corner. Click on this and then go to APIs and Services. In the new interface that appears, select Enable APIs and Services. You'll be taken to a new page where you can find a wide variety of APIs. Go ahead, type Maps JavaScript API into the search bar and select it once it shows up. This particular API is crucial for integrating Google Maps into your applications. On the Maps JavaScript API page, click on Enable. This step is necessary to use the API in your project. After enabling the API, you might be prompted to agree to some terms and provide a payment method, as Google requires this when utilizing their APIs in certain capacities. Don't worry, you can skip the payment if you're not ready yet and return to the Google Cloud Console. Back on the console's main menu, you'll follow similar steps as before to access APIs and services from the navigation menu. This time, click on Credentials because it's time to create your API key. Once you're on the Credentials page, tap on Create Credentials and select API Key. Your new API key will be generated right away. Make sure to copy this key and keep it somewhere safe, as it's necessary for using Google Maps in your application. And there you have it. You're all set up with your Google Maps API key. As always, if you have any questions or run into any trouble, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching.